If you're feeling ready, try to do this one on your own. Pause the video right now, see if you can get it, and then start the video up again when you're ready. Alright, let's see how you've done. So for domain, my x value, I look left and right. As far left as it goes left forever. How far right does it go? All the way to right there. So I'm going to put a little point there so y'all see what I'm looking at. That's as far right as it goes. So the x value there, because we're talking about domain, which is x, the x value right here is 1. So I'm going to say that x is less than or equal to 1. Because all of the other x values are to the left of 1, and those are numbers that are smaller than 1. So the x values of the graph are less than, or at this single point, it's equal to 1. For our interval notation, we always start with the smallest. That would be negative infinity. Use parentheses. And then the highest value is 1. Use a square bracket to include it because there's a point where it's equal to 1. Let's make it fancy on our set notation, x such that x is less than or equal to 1. Alright, let's check out the range. How low does it go? The lowest it goes is down to negative infinity. It's going to keep going down. The highest it goes is that same point. This is my maximum point. And the y value at this point is 0. So the highest y value of this graph is actually 0. So we're going to say y is less than or equal to 0 because all of the graph is below 0 and there's one point where it's equal to 0. So lowest value first, that would be negative infinity, and our highest value is 0. Use a square bracket to include it because there's a point that's equal to 0. Set notation, make it fancy, y such that y is less than or equal to 0. And it's done.